Jenny Craig Online Weight Loss Program App. The pros, the cons. Most people struggle to lose weight because they lack structure, but the Jenny Craig Online Weight Loss Program app provides a guided, convenient solution. But does it really work? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the app gives you access to a structured meal program with portion-controlled meals and snacks, eliminating the guesswork in dieting. You can log meals, track calories, and monitor weight changes, all while receiving guidance and tips from certified consultants. The app also includes educational content to help you understand nutrition, portion sizes, and healthy habits for long-term success. One of the biggest advantages is personalization. The app adjusts meal plans based on your goals, dietary preferences, and lifestyle. It also allows one-on-one virtual support from a coach, giving motivation and accountability that many people need to stick with their plan. The app integrates with fitness trackers, so you can see how your activity impacts your progress. Weekly progress reports help you stay on track, and the app provides reminders to keep you consistent. On the downside, the program requires a subscription, which can be expensive. Some users may find limited flexibility in meal choices, especially if they prefer home-cooked meals. The focus on pre-packaged meals may not suit everyone long-term. In conclusion, the Jenny Craig Online Weight Loss Program app is ideal for anyone seeking guidance, structure, and accountability in their weight loss journey. With personalized meal plans, professional support, and tracking features, it turns dieting into a manageable, guided process. While it may not be perfect for those wanting full cooking freedom, it's a powerful tool for achieving weight loss goals effectively and sustainably.